Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Millennials Matter. Today we're going beyond Bitcoin and exploring why diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio is crucial for long-term success. We are not financial professionals and are not giving financial advice. These are just 5 points that we feel would be worth paying attention to. Number 1, risk mitigation. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just like in traditional stock investing, putting all your money into a single cryptocurrency, even a seemingly dominant one like Bitcoin, exposes you to significant risk. If that particular cryptocurrency experiences a sharp decline, your entire investment could be severely impacted. Diversification across different cryptocurrencies with varying market caps, use cases, and technologies helps to spread risk and cushion your portfolio from potential losses. Imagine your portfolio as a basket of fruits. If one fruit goes bad, the rest of your basket remains intact. Number 2, exposure to cutting-edge innovation. The crypto space is a breeding ground for innovation. Beyond Bitcoin, you have Ethereum powering decentralized applications, stablecoins providing price stability, and NFTs revolutionizing digital ownership. By diversifying your portfolio, you gain exposure to these emerging technologies and the potential for significant growth within these burgeoning sectors. Number 3, capturing unique value propositions. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Each project offers unique value propositions. Some, like Bitcoin, focus on store of value, while others, like Ethereum, excel in smart contract functionality. Diversification allows you to capitalize on the strengths of different projects and participate in the growth of various sectors within the crypto ecosystem. Number 4, unlocking hidden gems beyond the top 10. While Bitcoin and other established cryptocurrencies dominate the market, there are countless promising projects with the potential for significant growth. By exploring and investing in smaller, more niche projects, you can potentially achieve higher returns while also supporting the growth of the broader crypto ecosystem. Number 5, navigating market volatility. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. Diversification can help mitigate the impact of these price swings. If one cryptocurrency experiences a significant price drop, your overall portfolio may be cushioned by the performance of other assets that are less affected. Diversification is a cornerstone of any successful investment strategy, and the crypto market is no exception. By carefully researching and investing in a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, you can potentially maximize your returns while minimizing your risk. Like and subscribe for more crypto content. What are your favorite cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts in the comments below.